Now you can see my keyboard. Okay, let's say this is Chinese, this is English, and you can see there's a little heart right there. How do I do this? Today I'm going to actually teach you how to customize your keyboard, and plus you can actually color your keyboard. So you can see if I type something, it actually creates this little effect right there. So today I'm going to teach you how to do that by using Good Lock. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so. Help me this channel reach to 500 new subscribers, okay? So now I'm going to teach you how do I do this, the effect, and plus this little heart right there. So now we're going to go into Good Lock. So this is Good Lock right here. And then once you go to Good Lock, you can go into Keycafe. This is actually the Keycafe. And then once you go to Keycafe, you can actually customize your keys. So the first thing is make your own keyboard. When you go in here, you can see there is actually 3 categories. Because I need to write Chinese, I need to type Chinese, I will still have Chinese, English, and simple. So if you look at your own keyboard, you can see there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Okay, so there's 3 type of keyboard inside this Samsung keyboard. That's why it shows 3. If you actually type more than 2 languages, then you have 4. Okay, so let's just say I want to customize this simple keyboard. Okay, we're not going to care about this because this is what I did already. Go to simple keyboard, and this is basically Chinese, right? And you press edit. So at the top here, there's so many options. You can add into your own keys. So let's just say, for example, I would like to put now. So this, which means that this one here, it will put you now. What is the time? What is the date? Okay, so I'm going to try this. Okay, I'm going to say try and then press save. Once I press save, you see it got checked. Okay, let's try. So now let's just say I go back to my own keyboard. You can see right now it got replaced on now. So every time when I press this, it will show you the date, the time, and the PM and whatever. And you can press send. And that's the cool way of customize your own keyboard. You don't have to really type in that much. You just press this right now and will show you exactly, they will automatically put inside already. And there are so many more options inside. If you go in here, press edit, there is so many different options right here. I'm going to show you time, okay, now, years, more. There's so many different type of things in here. You can actually customize and put it inside right there. Pretty simple and easy. So now the second thing is actually style your own keyboard. In here, you can actually style your own keyboard. So the first of all is you can do color. So if you do not want to spend too much time coloring your own keyboard, you can just select whatever the preset is. But however, if you want to customize your own keyboard, you press plus, and now each circle represent one color. So you can customize whatever you want. So you do whatever you want, and then remember there's a night mode and there's a day mode. You can customize each keyboard. Okay, so now I'm not going to do this because it's going to take so much time. However, at the bottom here you can see effects. When you press this, this is how you press the button. Okay, so there's so many ways of doing it. Key motion effect, key color effect, keyboard color effect, and then whatsoever. So you can actually just adjust whatever you want, and then that's it. And now we're going to the last one is called sound. So this is, it depends if you're going to turn this on, but if you're going to turn this on, and then now you create a new sound for your keyboard, and then that's it. Okay, so color, effects, and sound, and now you already customize your keyboard with no issue. Pretty cool, huh? And now let's just go back, and then you just create your stickers. But however, I'm going to teach you another way of creating stickers. Today I'm not going to show it to you. And advanced keyboard setting, in here there's nothing really you should worry about except this one here. Turn off delete accelerators. So when you press delete, when you press and hold, it will go delete faster and faster and faster. If you do not want to do that, you want to turn this on, and then that's it. These are the features on the Keycafe under Good luck. And now your keyboard will look like this. Okay, very, very simple. If this helps you, please subscribe my channel and make sure subscribe as much as possible, share to your friends, and I want to reach to 500 subscribers. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.